So here, if there is no compression or elongation, then what happens? You tell me now here. So potential energy 0. Next, now here final potential energy is how much? You tell me. That is 1 by 2 k into what? Tell me now. X2 square, where X2 is given as, yes, k into x naught square. Now they are asking to find what? Tell me now. Work done. What the relation now here? Work done and then potential energy. Yeah, so from this work done, which is equal to minus of change in potential energy. So that's why work done equal to minus of U2 minus U1. So find out now here, that is minus of U2 value how much? 1 by 2k x naught square minus U1 is 0. So that's why which is equal to minus 1 by 2k x naught square. This is the work done.